Alright, so in the last video I asked you guys if you wanted to see more point of view driving with the GoPro on my head, and it got like 11 likes on the comment or whatever it was. So today, pretty much I'm just gonna drive wherever, try to race whoever's out there, see what we can get into. Hopefully not get pulled over, because where I'm going, there's a lot of cops. So hopefully that doesn't happen. But so if this is your guys' first time watching this channel, I have a BMW 335i 2007 N54 motor, and it's stage 2 plus, just pretty much full bolt on, nothing more than that. Yeah, so we see what we can get into. Someone needs to order my man some R888s real quick. Alright, so I'm on the GoPro now. Hopefully this is a good angle. It's a little bit different than what I did in the other video. So yeah, I'm about to go over this bridge. Hopefully we can find some races, some Mustangs to give the good gap to. Yeah, and I've been pulled over a few times over on this side of the bridge. One was for a license plate. That was, I had my license plate in the windshield, and he pulled me over, because in Maryland you got to have it attached to your front bumper and on the front. And I had it in the windshield, and he gave me a ticket for that, but I went to court and fought it. I feel like this is way too windy, but straight pipe from the turbos back, so alright, so I don't really know how far I'm gonna go down here, but just gonna see if we can find anything. Hopefully we don't find any cops, knock on wood. It's like 8 p.m, so there's not gonna be too many people out. Just gotta try to catch a few people to run it all with. Make this interesting at all for people. It's a GTR. Best be glad you on that side, brother. You best be glad. I don't know how I feel about the tan interior on orange. It's GTR at the end of the day. Was moving. It's hot though. I gotta turn on the AC. You know it's hot when you start sticking to your seat. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, of course he's turning. Oh, I would have gapped that fool real quick. That boy's flying though, Jesus. Sound like a Civic motor in a Mustang. No hate, but just saying. I'm turning around. I ain't trying to go to Pennsylvania just to find a Mustang. What's funny is, when I'm not recording, it's like everyone and their mom wants to race, but of course now I got faith. We're gonna find that GTR again. I would probably get gapped, not gonna lie, but that thing sounded crazy too. I don't know if it had a blow-off valve or they just sound like that. I don't have too much experience with GTRs in real life, but hopefully we're gonna go to this car show this weekend, and then maybe I'll try to POV race a bunch of like Lambos and shit that they got there. I know the last one they had, I only rode by, but I couldn't stay. They had like McLarens, Lambos, they had everything, which is kind of wild down in where I live. You don't really ever see that. It's not no California. It's California, Maryland. Like actually. Oh my God, it's pouring out right now. I don't normally drive around here, but this is like the nicer part of where I live, so I was assuming some juice. I guess the GTR's juice, but it was on the wrong side of the road. race a Camry at this point as long as he's down for the triple home. The 5.0's went into hibernation when I turned the camera on though. Tell you that. Alright, bro. Whose mom's Highlander when I race? Here's a nice little 5.0 we got right here. I'm down, brother. Where you going? Now get your ass back here, boy. He's stuck behind them though. He's taking the bait. On our hands, boys. And it's hard just going out and driving nowhere. It feels so pointless. I guess it is really, except for the video. Let's see if we can race this Golf. Gave that Golf a gap. Looks like he wants more. That John is hella loud and it sounds like poo. That was fun though. Except for we only got one race in. Like embarrassed to look at me. He kept, when he rolled by, like he like looked at me once and like awkwardly smiled. That was a weird kid. I mean, obviously I'm gonna gap a Golf, but yeah, nope. So now it's a couple hours later. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the point of view driving. There's probably not gonna be as much talking. It'll probably just be more sound clips for people who are more interested in what it sounds like, straight pipe and everything, stage 2 plus and all that, like FBO. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the couple of cool cars that I was able to film, like the Golf and then the GTR and then the Mustang that I try to race. So we're probably gonna record a video and just like a vlog style video of the meet this Sunday, and then I'll probably try to throw in the GoPro and race a couple cool cars there. Gonna see what we can try to get into. So yep, that's pretty much it for this video. Get you on the flip.